Hello everyone, I am Pratibha Patel, Assistant Professor in Smriti College of Pharmaceutical Education, Indore. Today we start anti-hyperlipidemic agents, is also known as hypolipidemic agents. So first question is rising that what is hyperlipidemia? So hyperlipidemia is the most prevalent indicator for susceptibility to atherosclerotic heart disease. It is term used to describe elevated plasma level of lipids that are usually in the form of lipoprotein. Hyperlipidemia may be caused by underlying diseases like liver, kidney, pancreas, thyroids, or it may not be attributed to any recognizable disease. So hyperlipidemia क्या है? जब ब्लड प्लाज्मा में लिपोप्रोटीन और लिपिड का लेवल इंक्रीज हो जाता है तो उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? हाइपर लिपिडेमिया. Okay, so what is anti-hyperlipidemic agents which reduce the level of lipid or lipoprotein from the blood plasma? Okay, so what is a lipoprotein? Lipoprotein. Lipoprotein are protein carrying lipids. Cholesterol does not occur alone in plasma. It is always associated with lipoproteins. So cholesterol is one of the lipid. Long chain fatty acids are also carried by these lipoproteins in the form of triglycerides. Lipoprotein are actually aggregates. There are several forms of lipoproteins. VLDL, very low density lipoprotein. IDL, intermediate density lipoprotein. LDL, low density lipoprotein. HDL means high density lipoprotein depending on the density of their packing. Okay, so the major lipid component of a lipoproteins are triglyceride, cholesterol, cholesterol ester and phospholipids. Types of hyperlipoproteinemia on the basis of different type of lipoprotein level in blood plasma. So these are the types of hyperlipoproteinemia. Familial lipoprotein lipase deficiency. Second is familial hypercholesterolemia. Third, polygenic hypercholesterolemia. And third one is familial beta lipoproteinemia. Fourth one, hypertriglyceridemia. And fifth one is combined hyperlipidemia. Now classes of or classification of anti-hyperlipidemic agents. So first category is HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors or statins. Why statins? Because in every drug of HMG-CoA reductase inhibitor, suffix is statin. So lovastatin, simvastatin, metastatin, pravastatin, etc. Second category is fibric acid derivatives. So clofebrate, fenofibrate, gemfibrozil, ciprofibrate. These are the drug of fibric acid derivatives. Third category is bile acid sequestrants, cholestyramine and cholestyramine. Fourth category is LDL oxidation inhibitors. Drug is Probucol. Pyridine derivatives, nicotinic acid and nicotinamide. Cholesterol absorption inhibitors, ezetimibe and miscellaneous agents, beta sitosterol and dextrothyroxine. First category is HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors or statins. HMG-CoA reductase enzyme is essential for the synthesis of cholesterol. So HMG-CoA reductase inhibitor inhibit HMG-CoA reductase enzyme, which is essential for biosynthesis of cholesterol. So finally, inhibition of biosynthesis of cholesterol. So statins inhibit the rate limiting step in the biosynthesis of cholesterol, HMG-CoA reductase, decreased cholesterol biosynthesis step up the level of LDL receptor, resulting in the positive cycle for lowered cholesterol level in serum. Statins are most effective cholesterol lowering drug. These are the structure of HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors drugs: lovastatin, simvastatin, pravastatin, fluvastatin, atorvastatin, and rosuvastatin. Mechanism of action of statin. So, statins inhibit HMG-CoA reductase enzyme, which is essential for cholesterol biosynthesis. So, finally, decrease cholesterol level. It also show anti-inflammatory effect on the blood vessels wall. Due to the inflammation of blood vessel, many heart diseases occur. So, जब ब्लड वेसल्स में इन्फ्लामेशन हो जाता है, उसके कारण ब्लड प्रॉपर फ्लो नहीं कर पाता, उस केसेस में भी स्टेटिन जो है वो प्रिस्क्राइब की जाती है, ताकि ये अपने एंटी इन्फ्लामेटरी इफेक्ट के थ्रू इन्फ्लामेशन को कम कर सके और ब्लड प्रॉपर फ्लो हो सके. SAR of HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors. So this is the general structure of HMG-CoA reductase. Numbering start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 और ये 7. Okay, third and fifth position पर hydroxyl group attached है. That's why its name is 3,5-dihydrocarboxylate. So 3,5-dihydrocarboxylate is essential for activity. लैक्टोन कंटेनिंग प्रोड्रग रिक्वायर इन विवो हाइड्रोलिसिस. यदि किसी ड्रग के स्ट्रक्चर में लैक्टोन रिंग प्रेजेंट है तो वो प्रोड्रग होगा, और प्रोड्रग है तो उसके लिए हाइड्रोलिसिस रिक्वायर्ड रहेगा, तभी वो एक्टिव मेटाबोलाइट के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो पाएगा. द स्ट्रक्चर शुड कंटेन लैक्टोन रिंग, बाइसाइक्लिक रिंग. Bicyclic ring could be replaced with other lipophilic rings. Size and shape of it are important for activity. Okay, and ethylene bridge between them. ये है आपका ethylene bridge. Uses of HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors. So it is a first choice for dyslipidemia and first choice for hyperlipidemia. Statin reduce the risk of heart attack. Now, adverse effect: headache, nausea, bowel upset, rashes, rise in serum transaminase, and myopathy. Thank you.